Hey people, welcome back. It's your boy Big Smooth down here, Frank Myers Auto
Big
Mix,
Smooth.
okay? On this beautiful Saturday. I have a special guest in the building. This is Miss Almadelia. Say hey to the people.
Hey, Emma.
Hey.
She came down and purchased a nice new ride, and that's exactly what she got. Miss Almadelia, tell the world what you're taking home today, sweetheart.
I'm taking a Honda Van
2014
2014
Dodge Caravan.
Dodge Caravan.
Ow, ow.
Hey, beautiful vehicle, great transportation back and forth just like she needed, okay? Now tell the world how your experience was while you was here with her.
It was great. They have very good attention and helped me a lot.
Aw.
You heard of people. Can't get no better than that, okay? So if you want a great experience, come down to Frank Myers. We make the same thing happen for you, okay? Now on the count of 3, we're going to come into the family. So right behind you, if you would have got a count of 3. 1, 2, and 3. Go ahead. Hey people, you can do the same thing. Come see me. 336-397-1444. There you have it. And we're out.